Okay, I would like to make a public apology to any establishment, my friends, my family, any of my viewers' friends or family. You know what, just screw it, I'm just gonna apologize to everybody. Because what I'm about to show you guys, well, it's gonna help you guys, but it's also gonna frustrate the hell out of everybody around you. Let's just get into it, guys. So today's video, like I said, guys, this is so much freaking fun. Yes, it's annoying, and yes, there will be some cleanup work afterward, if you so choose to own up to it. Now, are you somebody that likes to pull pranks, but like hates pranking people?
No? No, okay.
Are you somebody that likes to pull pranks but just like can't build up the courage to actually do it?
No? Oh.
Are you somebody that likes to pull pranks but like just doesn't know who to call?
No.
Are you somebody that just likes to pull pranks but doesn't, you know, fuck it. The whole freaking thing with pranks is that I can't go along with the prank if the person is falling for it. It's weird. I know nowadays pranks have been really skewed as like,
hey, I'm gonna punch you in the face and it's a prank, you can't get mad.
I'm gonna show you guys a real legit prank. My whole deal is that when somebody's like being nice or they're like falling for the prank too hard, I have a really tough time continuing with it. For an example, I was on my Twitch stream yesterday pretending to be Angela, this female Fortnite player. And I was like, hey guys, like I'm new at this. And this kid was like, don't worry, I'll show you the ropes. And I was just like, man, he's being so freaking nice. How could I trick him? I feel bad. There's been some pranks I've seen online where I'm just so cringy watching it because I'm like, oh man, they're freaking falling for it and the person's still going. I can't do that. So I decided to search online. This freaking guy is so cute. What I'm about to show you is going to change everything. Oh my God, you guys are gonna want to try this so bad. So what we're gonna do today is and pause. What's up guys, it's Editing Dan. I should probably do one more button up. The fact that I just had to do that is not gonna help what I'm about to say. I just wanted to pause here and explain why my legs are so spread. I know I'm just kind of killing the flow of the video, but I felt like I needed to do it. Sitting here editing this, I'm like, man, I'm like spread eagle, just full on nuts. The reason is I've got this sort of like coffee table slash blanket holder right up against my legs. So I couldn't put my legs straight, which is why they're like on an angle like that. Anyways, I guess it's true what they say, you know? Like, when thy legs are spread wide, thy man must have huge nuts. Okay, let's get back to the video, all right? Prank call people. The beautiful thing is, with what I'm about to show you, you don't have to say anything. You're like the mastermind behind the computer and it does all the work for you. Not only that, it's free. This is not sponsored. I've never been in contact with this website. Here it is. The website is called prankhotline.com. And when you get to the homepage, you're gonna see stuff like this. You're gonna see make prank call at the top, funny reactions, get tokens, and my account. Here it says I got 28 premium tokens. For you guys, if you guys visit this website, you're gonna see 3 premium tokens. Everybody gets 3 premium tokens a day, which basically means you can do 3 prank calls a day. If you wanna pay $1, you could get 50 calls. I basically paid $1 and I got 50 calls. I've been doing this quite a bit, as you can see. So under the make prank call tab, you have like other sub tabs. So you have sound prank and 2 phones prank. The sound prank are pre-recorded prank calls. So for instance, why you call my girlfriend? These are sound clips that when somebody picks up the phone and says hello, it's gonna activate this sound clip to start.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Yeah, hello?
Hi, hello.
Let me ask you a question. Why are you calling my girlfriend in the middle of the night?
So you guys get it. It's not a real person. It is just a set track that starts playing when they say hello. These ones are smart because they leave gaps for the person to talk so it sounds real. Now if we go back, you're gonna see this one. 2 phones prank. You click that, this one is so fun. Basically, you have 2 phone numbers. You got the first number here and you enter the second number here. What this prank does is makes them call each other. So one of them picks up, goes hello, the other person picks up, goes hello, and they think that they called each other. We're gonna do both right now. This one right here, you guys sell burritos, see. So I'm gonna click it, I'm gonna show you guys just quickly what it sounds like.
Hello, hola. Hola, amigo. I want to order 3 bean, rice, and cheese burritos.
Pre-recorded, it's a guy making a burrito order. You wouldn't just send this to your friends. What you need to do with this, find a local burrito shop and send them this call. So I did exactly that. I did it 2 minutes after the shop closed, and you guys need to hear this reaction. The lady did the entire duration of the prank call thinking it was a real person. Check this out.
Hello. Hola, amigo. I want to order 3 bean, rice, and cheese burritos with carne asada and 1 without carne asada to go for Rafael.
We're not taking any more orders now because it's midnight.
I said 3 bean, rice, and cheese burritos with carne asada and 1 burrito without carne asada.
No burrito with carne asada anymore.
You don't have bean and cheese burritos?
Not anymore. We're all closed up.
What kind of burritos do you have then?
I don't have anything anymore. It's all closed.
What do you mean? What kind of place is this?
Well, it's midnight. We closed.
You don't have.
I don't have.
Mi amigo said this is the best place in the city to get real homemade
It
burritos.
is, but you should have called us about 45 minutes ago. Everything's
No, I don't
finished.
think he's mistaken. He would not make that up.
No. He's right, but right now it's all
Are you
finished.
sure?
I am sure. I wouldn't lie to you.
Ay, caramba.
Ay, caramba's right.
That's the pre-recorded one. Most of the time, people won't answer unknown calls. The beauty here is that you could type in any number. You could enter in Taco Bell, McDonald's, and on their phone it's gonna say McDonald's is calling. Under 2 phones prank. Unfortunately, you cannot choose a caller ID number, meaning that they're gonna see who's ever calling them straight up. We're gonna try this right now. We're gonna get my girlfriend to call her best friend, who I believe they're together right now. I wanna see if they're gonna answer, okay?
Hello? Oh, Danielle? Karina? Why are you calling me? Why are you calling me? Oh, I miss you. Are we together right now? Yeah. Whoever's pranking us. Prank's on you. We'll try again. Ciao for now.
I knew they knew that it was gonna be me. If you need numbers, if you're going through your phone book, you're like, no, this person, I can't do this person, no, I can't do that person. If you guys just need random numbers, this is what I do. Go on a website, I'm using Kijiji, and you're gonna type in 24/7. You're gonna find people that offer services 24 hours a day, which means they're probably gonna be able to answer their phone at any time of day. So for instance, a garage door service. And I've inputted my buddy Javier's phone number. So right now, Javier's gonna be getting a phone call from a garage door service, and the garage door service guy is gonna be getting a phone call from Javier.
Hello, Javier speaking. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm doing well. Yourself?
I'm good. How can I help you?
Pardon me?
How can I help you?
How can you help me? I'm not sure. You just called me.
Yeah, so I'm the garage door guy, so I didn't call you.
Pardon me?
I didn't call you.
Uh,
You called.
Okay. No, my phone was sitting on my desk and you just called me. Sorry, no, I can't, you can't help me. Thank you.
That literally went way better than I thought it would.
Hello? Babe, I just wanted to say I'm so sorry for anything.
Javier, man, I'm so sorry, but since you're the only one answering, I'm gonna send this to you, okay? You're a real champ. I'll buy you breakfast. Okay, here we go.
Hello?
Hi, how are you?
Babe, it's me. I just wanted to say I'm so sorry for anything.
I think you got the wrong number.
You were the one that said you wanted to talk things through.
Oh, okay. It's one of those.
It's Janet. You told me to call you tonight, didn't you?
Hi, Janet. Yeah, that's right.
Babe, come on, don't do this to me.
Hey, how are you?
What do you mean you don't know me?
I'm not sure. Maybe I do. Is it Janet?
Honey, I know we've grown apart, but don't say that.
Is it when we worked at the community center together? Is that it?
Stop
Are
trying
you-
to get me out of your life.
Sorry.
This guy knows it's me. In my last video, I said, it's me. Don't you remember we worked at the community center together? He just dropped that line. This is how cheap it is. 50 tokens for $1, so it's 2 cents a call. That's nothing. Okay, now before we wrap this up, I do want to make a disclaimer out there. Moving forward from this exact point on, I have not used the service any longer. The reason I'm saying that is because I don't want anybody out there to do the pranks and then send their friends this video thinking that I'm the one that called them. The people that I've pranked called have all been recorded and have been placed in this video. Everybody else is not me. I want to make that clear. I do make it a point to tell everybody that I prank called that it was me. Either call them afterwards or send them a text. People out there that get prank calls, just know it is not coming from me. The only people I'm prank calling have been in this video or will receive a text from me. So there you guys have it. If you guys enjoyed this, give this video a like and comment down below if you guys would like another video of just prank calls. I might actually try to do some of these on my Twitch stream, twitch.tv/danocracy. Thank you guys so much for watching. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also make sure you hit that bell notification. That way, when a video like this comes up, you'll be notified right away. Hopefully, we don't know how YouTube works these days, but hopefully you'll be notified right away and you'll be able to do this prank before other people know about it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. See you guys later.